Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to your another reading. This is Ish, and this video is going to resonate with you if you guys are romantically involved with a person. Now, I'm not talking about the tag of a relationship, but romantically having feelings for somebody else, and somebody else also has mutual feelings for you. But because of some reason, you guys are just not able to align on same level, come on the same ground, which is creating a lot of problems and insecurities and confusion in your head, the viewers watching this, right? So if you feel like this is your situation, if you feel like this is your energy right now, where you know the other person is in love, where you know that you are in love, but because of something happening, whether some like one day you're not ready, one day the other person is not ready, you guys are just getting into fights, parents are involved, work is involved, everything, third person, third parties, and all that stuff, but not romantically third party being involved, then this is the reading for you, right? Without wasting any, then this is the reading for you, right? Let's get into it, because I feel like spirit has the solution or the answer to your current situation, and take this video as a sign. But also keep an open mind and only take what resonates and leave the rest behind. One or two of you could be in water sign, which is Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a strong Aries. So masculine man, like a very masculine man, and a very like emotional feminine energy, or vice versa. Take it how that resonates. A very logical, strong-headed, independent, and in her masculine energy, very ambitious feminine energy, or a woman into the relationship, and a very emotional gentleman sort of a man into a relationship. Take it how that resonates, right? Give me a second. Okay, let's get into it. What I do sense from you guys' energy is that this person that you're inquiring about definitely is sure about you. They are not confused about what they feel for you or what they mean to you, but because of a few things, they are scared of making the decision. Queen of Cups coming back again. Okay, what is happening in your guys' connection right now is that the other person is, or both of you are scared of making decision. Both of you are scared of taking the leap of faith towards bringing this relationship to the next level, because of the fear of getting abandoned, because of the fear of being left out in the cold, because of the fear of the other person leaving them behind. Now, this could be a pattern that happened in the past, or this is just a fear coming down from your past relationships, from your family life, from your, take it how that resonates, right? So one person or both of you are just not willing to take the relationship to the next level, is because the other person is scared of being rejected, abandoned, or just being left out in the cold, and that's why they are just not able to plan for the future, and that's why somehow the relationship is just stuck to where it is. We have Queen of Cups coming out again. I feel like somebody is just holding back their emotions, even though they feel a lot. They do feel a lot even right now as we speak. They felt like that all this while, even if it's you, even if it's the person that you're dealing with. But they are not openly expressing those feelings. You can feel it, you know it. Your person might have also expressed those feelings, or you might have expressed those feelings, but the thing here is that somebody is just very scared because the past was not right. Even if it's your past or the person that you're dealing with, they made and they saw a lot of dreams with somebody, or you saw a lot of dreams with somebody else, but they were just shattered and broken. Or this can be the cycle with this same person as well, right? And this is the reason why energies are so stuck and just things are just not moving forward. Now, let's see what the universe has to say about this whole situation. If you feel like this is your situation, then please continue watching. If you feel like this is not, you can wait for other videos. Let's get some clarity on what the universe has to say about this whole situation, or what is the truth. We have the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so you're advised here to take some practical steps towards this person on making this relationship form a actual ground, right? And also, if you feel like, why should I be doing all the work when the other person is just not willing to do anything, maybe you start it. And if you're letting your ego come between a relationship of why should I do, I think you need to just look at yourself and reflect back onto your behavior. Are you in a relationship because you want to just take something? Or are you in a relationship because you genuinely love that person and you just want to give because you love and not because you're expecting something after you give? Now, respecting the fact that we are in a relationship because the other person is also willing to do something for us because they also love us, right? It is mutual, it is equal. But at the same time, you're advised here to take some actions because of whatever happened in the past, because of whatever was your situation, even if it's a new thing, even if it's an old thing, you're advised here to be nurturing towards your person, be kinder towards your person, maybe because they need it simply, right? And right now is not the time when you think about what the other person is giving you. Just try, collective, just one time, just try giving this person the love, the nurturing, and then see where things are going, right? That is the advice coming up for you. Things might move pretty quickly after you start doing this. What this person needs from you is a little bit of nurturing, a little bit of empathy, a little bit of understanding, care, and for a while just don't expect maybe anything from this person. Emperor coming out again. This person maybe has never had somebody nurturing in their life. This person never had something, because I'll tell you something, the masculine, also the hierophant, this person is also looking for commitment. They are looking for something serious and stable, but this person in the past might have never seen somebody emotionally investing into them, emotionally giving to them, emotionally being available for them. That's why this person is so much in their masculine energy. Hyper masculine energy is what I feel. And the emperor usually is emotionally like a little held back. And now the cards that I'm pulling out for the feminine energy, or the viewers watching this, is the Queen of Cups and the Queen of Pentacles. Both of these energies are supposed to be nurturing, or they are just like naturally nurturing, caring, giving, emotionally available, loving, kinder, generous in giving. And I think this person has never seen that. This person has never experienced something like this, so they don't trust it. This person, because they have never seen somebody emotionally invest into them, this is a mother wound coming down strongly. This person don't trust that people can love them. Now, I don't say this often on my readings, but like I always say that this is not your responsibility to be a mother or a father to your person. But in this reading, in this situation, what I do feel is that, collective, if you show a little more to this person, that yes, you are emotionally available and that you are not going to leave as soon as they invest in you, because this person is scared that as soon as they will invest in you, you will abandon or you will ghost, or you are just like love bombing them or something like that. Maybe because they have experienced something like this. So people in the past might have, love bombed your person, or this person just experienced fake emotional connection where people are just being nice to them because they need something from your person, right? So if you just show this person even more kindness and empathy, this person will realize that you are not fake and you're trustworthy, right? Because this person has a wound on people being nice to you just because they want something from them, and you are not like that. Your energy is not showing up like that. But this person is having trust issues because they have always seen something like which is taking advantage of them, right? Which is not your fault, I know. But this is the energy coming up. If you show like this is the time when you give to your person, is what I feel. And with all due respect to the decisions that you want to make in your life, it's your choice whether you want to be there for this person or not, or whether you want to respect your boundaries, whether you want to respect yourself and love yourself, because you know your situation and this reading is going to be different for everybody. But if you feel like you're ready and willing to do so, this is the message coming up from the universe, from the spirit, from the God, angels, whoever you believe in, right? This person has a broken family, or this person has never experienced stability or people being nice to them just because they love them, right? And I know this reading is not supposed to be about your person, but the messages are coming in. This person that you're dealing with, the whoever it is, even if it's a guy or a girl, the person that you are dealing with, my viewers, has seen a broken family, has seen shattered past, has seen broken dreams and broken aspirations. So I think this is the time when you just show them that there are genuine people that exist and you're not going to take advantage of them because this person is just scared that you are being nice to them because you need something from them, right? So trusting the process is essential over here. Hierophant has a split the deck twice. This person is looking for something stable. If you're like doubting their intentions and if you don't know whether this person is serious about you, they are 100% serious about you. But this person is like old school, or maybe you are old school and both of you are maybe different from each other and you just don't understand each other's ways of dealing with things and doing things. This is the time when you trust the process of the relationship, and this is the reason why things are stuck. Because one, why things are stuck between the two of you is, number one, this person is not able to trust that you are actually a genuine person because they have seen a lot of people being fakely nice to them in the past, because simply those people needed something from your person. Those people took advantage of your person by being nice to them. That's why they are scared of trusting you. Number two is that this person, why this relationship is stuck is because both of you just don't understand each other's perspective right now, right? And that is the reason why things are stuck. But eventually they will move forward. Right now, you are just advised here to like be the nice person, actively be the nice person for this person, so that they can like come out of their shell and like be yourself, be the nice person that you are, be the person that you are. Because what I feel is that the persons watching this, the people who are watching this, you have wounds around, you have fears around people taking advantage of your good behavior, people taking advantage of your good heart. But this person is not going to do that. Like, this person is scared of being, like, this person is scared of people being nice to them because they want to take advantage. And you are scared of people taking advantage of your kindness, of your good heart. But you're advised here to not protect your heart, be the person you are, and don't ghost this person or don't pull back your energy every time you feel like there is a danger. There is a danger, right? Because this person is not going to break your trust. So both of you have fears around like literally the same thing. Like, this person, you being nice is their fear because they feel like, what if you just want to take advantage? You are scared of this person taking advantage of you being a good person, and then not like supporting you, not trusting you, not like being there for you, not committing to you, and just abandoning you. This person has the same fears. I'll just summarize. This person has a fear that you are being nice because you want to take advantage, and as they commit to you, the moment they commit to you and the moment they start giving you the love and everything that you need in a relationship, you will just ghost, abandon, and vanish from their life. You have a fear of, what if you give all of your heart, all of your kindness, all of your good behavior to this person, you commit to them, and then this person ghosts, this person just abandons you. Both of you have same fears from different triggers, and this is the reason why your relationship is stuck right now, right? So trust the process and eventually everything will fall at place. But this is the truth and reality of your connection if you're watching this and if you feel resonated to this. And I hope this helped you. This is all that I have for you, collective, for today. For personal readings, you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is in the description box below. You can follow me there. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe. Also, one thing that I'd like to mention is that this relationship is meant to be successful because you can manifest a very good relationship out of this. But only if you work on this. Only if you both, not just you, but only if the two of you are willing to work on this relationship. I literally just saw the King of Cups in reverse. This person also has a potential of being emotionally compatible with you on an intellectual level, on an emotional level, King and Queen of Cups. But it will take time, right? So, like they say, like, a perfect relationship is not meeting the perfect person. A perfect relationship is just two imperfect people coming together and never giving up on each other. Yeah, that's what I see. Sending you love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.